In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Acer Nitro 5 battery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and possibly replace the battery on your Acer Nitro 5. Keep in mind that this could potentially void your warranty depending on your country, so keep all of that in mind. To begin, you will remove the bottom cover, so you will find all of these screws here, and you should remove all of them. So take your time, make sure that you do it properly. There are going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So remove all of these. If you have a different model, then you might find more or less screws. Once this is done, use a tool to pry open the casing. So you can insert some tool in here like this and pry it upwards with your fingers. Do it carefully and gently across the entirety of the laptop. Don't just pull up from a specific corner. As you can see here, you can use the tool and do a gradient across the entirety of the cover. Once this is done in its entirety, you will be able to take off the back cover. Now remove the plastic tape on the battery cable. It is going to be connected like this, either by a specific tape or ribbon cable. Carefully remove it. You can use a pair of tweezers if you don't want to use your fingers to potentially damage this connection. After this is done, you will remove 2 last screws that hold the battery itself in place. And once these final screws have been removed, you will be able to take the battery out with your hands. It is simple to do, and it is going to work for most models of the Acer Nitro, including the Acer Nitro 5. At this point, you can replace the battery, so you insert it back in, you do these screws again, you insert the cable or the tape, and then you just repeat the process. Very simple and useful for most models. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.